The only makeup product you need for that extra glowy festive skin is a highlighter or any shimmery eyeshadow. Let's get into the hacks. The easiest way to add a luminous finish to your skin is with a stroke cream. And guess what? You can easily make it with just 2 products. Mix in some of your highlighter with a dewy moisturizer and apply it to clean skin. You can even mix some into your foundation for an extra glossy base. This is the perfect makeup prep for every glowing festive look. If you've noticed that a setting powder instantly undoes that glistening look after you apply a foundation, try a luminous setting powder. Mix in some of your highlighter with your loose powder. This will ensure your makeup is set and stays in place, preventing any oil while keeping your glow and shine intact. Ethnic outfits demand glossy and glowy skin as well. That is why we've come up with the easiest DIY body glow oil. Simply add your highlighter to any body oil of your choice and watch how it transforms into liquid gold. Now massage this onto your shoulders, collarbones and arms for an unbelievable glow that'll perfectly match every outfit. This hack is great to upgrade your classic lipstick look and make your lips look full and plump at the same time. Apply any liquid lipstick. Tap some highlighter onto the center of your lips and blend it in. Finally, complete the look with some gloss. The highlighter adds some dimension and depth to an otherwise flat makeup look. Locking in your makeup with a setting spray is really helpful, especially when you're caught up in the chaos of every Indian festivity. Here's how you can make it glossy while keeping your skin oil-free. Add some highlighter to the astringent rose water. Rose water prevents oil production, keeping you grease-free, and the highlighter will just add that right amount of shimmer for a classic glow-up. If you're looking for that subtle shine, simply tap on Vaseline onto your cheekbones and use it as a cream highlighter. If you want to go for a totally blinding highlight, amp this up with a few taps of your highlighter over your moisturized cheeks. Instead of investing in eyeshadow palettes that you probably won't even end up using, your trusted blush and highlighter is enough. Tap some blush in the inner and outer corner of your eye and complete the look with a pop of highlighter in the center. Pro tip: use your fingers for that blinding shine. Finally, finish off with some eyeliner and mascara. Add these glowing hacks to your festive makeup routine and be your radiant self for every occasion. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.